Acer Aspire Intel Core i3 6th Gen 15.6-inch laptop, 4GB 1TB HDD Linux Black 2.23 kg, E5-576. Processor, Intel Core i3-6006U processor, 2.0 GHz base processor speed. Operating system, this is a Linux-based laptop. Requires separate purchase and installation of operating system software, like Windows, not included in the box. Refer to Acer website for drivers. Display, 15.6-inch HD, 1366x768 display. Memory and storage, 4GB DDR3 RAM with Intel HD 520 GRAPHICS storage, 1TB HDD. Design and battery, laptop weight 2.23 kg lithium battery. Warranty, this genuine Acer laptop comes with 1-year domestic warranty from Acer covering manufacturing defects and not covering physical damage. For more details, see warranty section below. Pre-installed software and ONE in the box, laptop with included battery and charger. Ports and CD drive, 1 USB 2.0, 2 USB 3.0 with CD drive. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.